Hey guys, it's Will at John on Bikes, and today I've got for sale this black beauty. It's a Kawasaki Z1000 FEF. Oh, it's a new shape one. It's a 2014 on a 14 plate. It's done 12,314 miles. Really nice, finished off in a satin black and then a metallic black in the middle of the tank as well. It's got a few cheeky extras, bar end mirrors there, tail tidy, aftermarket exhaust, bit of protection on the engine, R&Gs. Fair few bits and bobs anyway. Give it a quick turn on. As you can see, I've not turned off the engine, so you can see that, and also the LED headlight these new ones run as well just gives you a perfect beam of light just onto anything that's coming. Loads better than the old halogen ones. Absolutely fabulous bike this, really grunty. All you need to do, pop down at John on Bikes, simply just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.